Okay, we are here on the roof for Rob Holloway. We're here to do a repair test on this shingle to see if it is in fact a repairable shingle. We're using State Farm's recommended tool, roof snake. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, these things are sealed down real tightly. They're almost adhered all the way through to one another, so we're having some difficulty getting it off as delicately as we're trying to do it. So that's free. Just by breaking this one loose down here, you can see that the one underneath it is lifting up. That's because it has popped through the nail head, because they're so adhered together that when you just try and lift one, it's actually ripping it out of the nail. So it's loosening its fasteners underneath. Okay, got that shingle out. So let's get a close up right here, just from prying away gently. I mean, we got some tears here. The shingle is ripped right here all the way through. We got some more creasing going along here. They're a pretty brittle shingle, and I mean, it's 100 degrees up here on the roof right now, so they should be pretty flexible considering the heat on the roof. So let's go ahead and stick this other shingle in. Okay, we got the temporary shingle in there. Let's go ahead and take a look. So again, I mean, we got some damages down here. We got some tearing here. We got a bunch of nails pulled through and loose up here. You know, and that's with really delicate manipulation with a roof snake, which is made for this kind of thing. So, my professional opinion, this temporary repair is a fail.